Alright, go ahead.
Wait, let's crack it on your head. No, put it where your vagina is. So that looks Alright, ready? It's cool. Okay, you got it. What does this do? 1, 2, crack it. You like hit it on your head and crack it. Hit it?
I don't have all day.
Are you recording it right now?
No, I keep going to because you guys have to do it. You can't keep hesitating because you're gonna run out of time.
Wait, come next to me. No. Yeah, alright, ready? Set, go. Alright, now the other one. Ew. Okay, ready? Set. Oh, shit. I didn't even get it in. That sucked. That really did suck. That really did suck. Wait, there's shell in your hair. Ew.
Alright, here, I got it.
Is there any in mine?
You guys like missed your whole heads. You just
I
went.
know.
I feel like we should redo it, but I don't think you want
I know,
to.
so do I, but...
You probably